Hello students, welcome back to your physical education class. So earlier we have studied about food intolerance. ठीक है जी. So there is another topic in your this book, this chapter, food myths. We'll be discussing about this topic today, food myths. कि what are food myths or what is myth? What do you mean by myth? ठीक है जी. So the dictionary meaning of that myth is story from past times. We can say that which are been running from decades. ठीक है जी. धारनावां पंजाबी वी कैन से धारनावां कि धारना बन गई. ठीक है जी. So story from past times, just story or idea which may people believe but it is not true. ठीक है जी. Some people कहते हैं इस तरह करना इस तरह हो जाता है, if you do this then this will happen. ठीक है जी. But these things are going on from last many decades. ठीक है जी. But the thing is sometimes people start believing in that. ठीक है. So today we'll be discussing about food myths कि what are the myths about food and whether it is true or false. ठीक है जी. But my suggestion to you people is you must purchase book so that your syllabus should be done smoothly and every point in your book is given. ठीक है जी. So we'll be discussing about these. How many points are given? These 8 points which are mentioned in your book regarding food myth. So I'll start with this topic that we often hear about food myth. Sometimes things are repeated so much that we are inclined to believe that they are true. Here are some of the food myth given below. So I have told you earlier also the definition of food myth is story or idea which many people believe but it does not mean it is true, always true. ठीक है जी. Or it may be false. ठीक है. Story from the past time that is running. So thing is कि when you come to know about these things scientifically कि this is not true, then you start believing that this was not true. ठीक है. So we'll be going through these 8 points mentioned in your book. I'll be starting with first point. First point is eating most of your calories in the evening promotes weight gain. ठीक है जी. Means this point says that if you eat more than your requirement at evening time, it can lead to weight gain. Means some people say that don't eat after 7 o'clock. That is true that you should eat between a particular time. ठीक है जी. So it is written about no matter when you eat them you gain weight but you eat more calories than you burn off. However, mindless munching from TVs that can push calories into over the top. It means कि if your requirement of your body is 4 chapatis but you are eating 6, I told you in earlier topic also, but extra consume that chapatis will be converted into fats. ठीक है. It may lead to weight gain, but if you are working very hard, if you are going to gym or if you are exercising in the ground for nearly about 40-30 minutes daily, if you are exerting yourself, it may not lead to weight gain. You can eat extra also because your body requires more than that energy. So this myth is not true that eating more of the calories in the evening time promotes weight gain. Like what I have an example कि I saw that the people those who work for just daily laborer, I can give you example. After working for 8 to 9 hours daily, I have seen them eating jalebis or 10 chapatis. Means there will be weight gain in their body? No. their work they have done very hard in their daily routine. At the end of the day they can digest it properly. Body needs those calories and it has consumed. ठीक है जी. So next is कि don't eat मतलब कि fat free is calorie free. Like what? Some of the snacks it is written no added sugar. ठीक है जी. It is not fried. Many of this chips you have written it is not fried, it is baked. For after looking at that, you go on eating these things. Like what? Instead of eating one packet, you eat two packets. That it is not fried. कि there are no calories, but no, it is having so many of calories that you are consuming more than sufficient carbohydrates or energy. Like what it is written. Some of the people there is extra serving of fat-free foods such as cookies, cakes or crackers. However, a low-fat or fat food may still contain lot of calories to make food taste better. ठीक है जी. It is written on that packets कि it is not fried, it is baked, but doesn't mean you will eat more than that. ठीक है जी. Fat-free does not mean it is calorie-free. You should eat that thing also in low amount. Next is carbohydrates causes weight gain. I'll tell you that carbohydrate is the main source of energy. It's a main element which is required by the body, and it should be taken in proper amount. ठीक है जी. But it should be taken in appropriate amount. But if you are working very hard, ठीक है जी, if you are working in the fields or any of the, if you are a player, ठीक है जी, means that doesn't mean that carbohydrates or it will cause weight gain or sugars. ठीक है जी. Carbohydrate does not cause weight gain unless they contribute to excess calorie intake. The same thing. You should not take anything more than excess. I gave you example also earlier. The things will be same in each and every point. If your requirement of your body is 4 chapatis, don't go for 6 chapatis every day if you are not working very hard. ठीक है जी. So next is yogurt is a perfect food diet. Yogurt means curd, दही बाजार चो भी मिल जाते yogurts दे ना. Means yogurt, it is good for digestion, it is good for your daily routine body requirement. But if yogurt is made from pure milk, means where that cream is not taken out from that milk, we called it fat free milk, then it is okay. But if it is made from pure milk, milky with fat more than 6.8 fat or 8 grade fat, means that will be having more calories. ठीक है जी. You can eat that, but you should not eat more than required. ठीक है जी. आप पंजाबी च कह देते हैं ना कि स्प्रेटे दुध दी बनी है, means there is no fat in that, means cream is taken out from that milk. But you should, it is written in your book, many dieters swear it, but some yogurt can be fattening as ice cream. Yogurt is good for people of all ages. Yogurt is important for those wanting to lose weight. Research shows that calcium helps to reduce weight gain. Even small changes in the calcium level at fat cells can change signals with great self-control. The making of burning of fat. What needs to remember, no one food is given in a going to be prove magic. It's a combination of effective diet, an excessive plan that will work out. Avoid yogurt that contains added sugar and sweetened fruit. Like what people are adding that pineapple and everything. So that it is sugared. आप कहते हैं ना pineapple राता ले आओ, but sugar is added in that. You should eat that curd in appropriate amount only. Next is potatoes make you fat. Potatoes are against richer source of carbohydrates. Same thing. People used to think that carbohydrate-rich food like potato increase in body weight. So for losing weight, one should not eat potatoes and other food which have high carbohydrate. Now we can say the carbohydrate is a rich source of energy. We should not stop eating potatoes, should take it moderate quantity. Like what? This food, the potatoes, can be put in any of the vegetable. But it doesn't mean that you should stop eating carbohydrate, this potatoes. You must take, but in a low quantity. Like what, if you, I'll give you one example. What some people do, if they have gone for any of the rigorous exercise, if they can take 4 boiled potatoes with salt and all that, they're easily carbohydrates that can be consumed from that. Their energy level can be increased because we need carbohydrate. It is known as the instant source of energy. So for that, potatoes must be taken. ठीक है जी, must be eaten, so that that carbohydrates quantity should be maintained in your food. Do not take milk immediately after eating fish. This is the main thing, very important. But I have seen people eating fish or consuming coffee after in the marriages. There might be a particular type of fish, but I am not recommending it to you. Sorry to say, I am not recommending you to take milk after the fish. But some things are there. But I have given you example. I have seen many people having tea, coffee, or milk products after consuming fish in marriages. Okay? But in our society, most of the people think that one should not take milk immediately after eating fish. People think that salt appears in the skin. Reality, there is scientific reason to take milk immediately after fish. Instead, the product may be taken together. There is no problem at all. I'm not telling you should go for that. It is written in your book, but there is no such thing. Many people do eat this. But it is up to your body. If anything goes wrong, if stomach start paining, you can immediately go to doctor and then you can vomit it out. So that reaction should not be there in your body. Next, exercise make you eat more. देखो जी, doing exercise is a very good feature. It should be maintained. This exercise regime. Regime means continue of any activity for longer duration or longer routine. Means it should be continued. Exercise is must. But if they said that if you are exercising, you can eat more. Now, the people, those who are exercising, they take only in proper amount. Some of the good players, they have hired dietitians also. Sorry, they have hired dietitians also. Those who are giving them a proper diet, they are making schedule. What is their today's schedule? That today he is going for 400 meters, 20 laps. Then he'll make diet chart according to that. But he'll not eat more than that. But you should eat only that much food which is required by the body. Then after that also you are eating. Don't do that. So extra protein make you strong. Extra protein can not make you strong. It can lead to many problems in your body. You can't keep on eating eggs for whole day if you are not exercising. Suppose I'll talk about bodybuilders. Bodybuilders, they usually take 12 eggs a day. Usually 4 eggs they are eating in the morning time, 4 eggs they are eating in the lunchtime, and 4 eggs they are taking without that yolk, boiled eggs, and 4 eggs they are eating at the evening time or night time. Only protein, but they are working so hard in the gym. They work out for 8 hours in the gym. They need lot of protein for that. But doesn't mean if you are not working hard, if you are not doing anything in the ground or daily routine work, you should not take extra protein. It may give bad effects on your body. So you can go through your books also. I have given you ample examples of that. So this is the topic we have discussed today, that food myth. So the one more suggestion is there from my side is start going through these topics which we have discussed earlier also by our teachers, so that you should not face any difficulty in this half-yearly times. Purchase book. AB book is there. Purchase your books and go through it once. Whatever topic we are covering, go through your book also and go through this topics also. So we'll meet you in next class. Okay ji? Thank you so much.